Okay, so we're continuing on working with business specific tools. And what I want you to do now, excuse me, it's scooched up, go ahead and check out there we go, what other people wrote about. So this will be due by Monday, hopefully. So try to find people that have maybe different stuff than you and stuff that's similar. So you can maybe find some new tools for your business to help you out, because I found that this is a really useful um, assignment. So it gives you an opportunity to learn more about tools that are out there that I might not know about or you might not know about. So I want you to check out some of your group members, and then if there's not enough, move on to another group. Be sure to do that because I want you to look at least 4 class members' posts about what they wrote about, and I want you to see the same. I don't want you to see the same things that you wrote about. I'd like you to see something different. So you might have to check around and see what people wrote about and see if you can learn about it, and see if you could think of any of these tools will be helpful to you. um, and write about it. If you need to wait till Monday to do this, is okay. It's just pretty much a quick look and check it out and see what you need to do, um, or what you find, and then write about it. So it's not like you have to do any real super deep thinking. So then if you want to catch up on any late work, I am working on grading, but I'm also have a big website that I'm working on. So that's taking a lot of my time as well as my other businesses. So I have been working away. I should get some more grades posted for you. I'm trying to grade the newsletters as they come in because some of them jump into my spam folder, which is really frustrating. And then I think, I don't know if it's there. And some of you haven't put your names in there somewhere so I can make sure who it is. So I have to look and figure it out. So it's easier if it's like really simple for me to find who sent what, because a lot of your emails don't have your name in them. And so again, this is kind of a simple assignment. I also have, hang on a second, I'm going to step back here, an extra credit assignment, which is adding Google Analytics somewhere. And it's become a little more tricky to do it. You have to sign in for a business account and all that. And I just did it for this customer that I'm working on their website. And since it was not my website, boy, that was a big can of worms getting them to approve me to work on it. But I did. So I have added that to my own business accounts. And it was much easier then. You just kind of went there and you clicked and they wrote you some code and you stuck it in. If you have a website, put it at the top. And the thing that's great is you can see that people are looking at your website. You can see how long they're there. It can be the same. I think you can put it into your other social media as well. But you can see which pages they're looking at, how, again, how long they're staying there. So you kind of get an idea what people are checking out, what is well done so it captures their attention. So just if you can do this, I think again that you have to create an account. If you're going to do business in the future, once you get signed up for your account, you can add it to multiple businesses as long, So if you have several businesses you're running or you do it later, they already know who you are. And so it's just kind of interesting. It's a great way to collect data and refine what you're doing. And again, a little bit of extra credit here if you need it in the class. So I hope you find it interesting. Like I said, it's a little bit more complicated than it used to be. So I have given more points for it. And even if you just attempt it, let me know. Because, like I said, it was more tricky for me this time because I was working with someone else's account and I had to schedule so they could call them to confirm that it was okay that I worked on their stuff, which is good because you want things to be sort of safe. And so I got it verified that way. And then they had another check thing in place, and I had to write to that and explain why they were using me. And I said, because they're old and they don't know how to do it. And I got a response really quickly, It was like, okay. I was like, okay, we get it. And yeah, because I kept explaining, you can just do this and this and this. And it was just like, no, can't do it. So that's why I'm saying there's so much work out there, because so many people get overwhelmed with how to do this. And if you can figure out how to do it and help them out, they'll be really happy and probably glad to pay you money to do it. So it's a great field to be in.